I'm the Novice Techie, and I'd like to welcome you to my first ever unboxing. Real quick. In this channel, I'm going to be unboxing some of my favorite tech, but from a non-tech or novice point of view. I want to find tech that's fun, makes our lives easier, and helps us get rid of some of the stress in our lives. In other words, tech that brings us closer to achieving that life of Zen. So if that interests you, please make sure to subscribe and click that like button. It'll take you a second and it'll really help get this new channel off the ground. Alright, so today we have, I guess it's not really tech, it's, here we go. I was setting up, this is my first ever unboxing as I mentioned, and I was setting up the cameras here, and I just feel that for an unboxing you really need, or for unboxing videos you really need the overhead shot. So I had already opened it, and I just broke this or cut the tape, and I thought, oh, maybe this will be my first unboxing video, my practice. So this is the Glide Gear overhead desktop arm. Bought it on Amazon. I'll put the links, the link to the listing on Amazon. There it is. Check it out. And well, let's open it. See what we get. Hurt my teeth. All right. Put that there. Got some plastic. It's sealed. Oh, there it is. All right. There we go. You see that? So, see, this is when that overhead camera would be perfect, because you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, next video is going to have that overhead camera. So we got a manual, user manual. There we go. And it's reflecting the light. There you go. User manual. I'm not going to read it. Not right now, at least. Okay, so let's get this out. Okay, this feels good, man. This is like a thick foam. It's protected. Let me see here. So we get. Sorry, I keep forgetting that overhead camera's not there. But this is what you get. And jeez, that's really in there. Okay. All right. Don't know what this is. Okay, so this is probably where the camera goes. Here we go. Show you that part. Oh, there you go. Imagine this is an extension arm. It's got some kind of adjustment wheel here, or not. This is the clamp. It goes on the table. This stuff's heavy duty. You can hear it. The metal there. It's thick, hard plastic, and this is all metal here. So put that out of the way there. And this is, I'm assuming this is the arm that goes straight up. And then you get this one. Yeah, so this one goes here. Locks like this with the clamp, and then you put your camera. I'll be using the, I got these, the Canon M50. I'm gonna go off into a little tangent here. Canon M50, it's a good camera. We got it originally for a podcast, but I didn't know, I see all these videos on YouTube about how it's the best, camera for beginners. It offers a lot for a good price, but I wanted to do something to where I have like all these, the different shots. And we even got this Atom Mini Pro, and so we could be switching, and then we connected it, and we figured out we can't get rid of all the information on the screen of the camera because there's no blind HDMI. So, for people making videos, maybe I'll make a video on this one. It won't be an unboxing because I already opened it. but maybe like a review. And one of the major drawbacks about this one, if you want to do multi-camera or multi-angle videos, yeah, it's not gonna be the best for that. They have the Mark II now, which does do the blind HDMI, and basically what that means is it sends out the signal with nothing on the screen. So, for example, if we were recording, I would love to record this off of the Atom Mini, so that I could do the the switching back and forth from the cameras, and then I don't have to edit it. But as it is now, this camera is recording to the card. This one's recording to the card, and then I've got to go into Adobe Premiere and edit and clip and do all that awesome stuff. So that was a major disappointment for me, and I'm pretty sure it's just a firmware update that Canon could do to fix that, but they're just trying to make more money, which is fine. It just kind of sucks, but anyway, it is what it is. So anyway, thank you so much for taking the time to checking out this video. This was a short unboxing. I'll set this up. Hey guys, it's a couple of days later, and I wanted to share with you this little issue we had with the arm. We were setting it up, and so you got these two pieces, right? This goes to the arm, and this the camera attaches here, and you can't see it, but this is where the pull is. Obviously, it'd be higher, but this is where it is, and this is where the camera would be, and I need the camera here, so that wasn't going to work. So what I did is go to a machine shop to see if they could extend this bar. They tried. They welded it, on the exterior, and then they grinded it down to make sure that it would still fit, in this other piece. But the weld was too weak. It was too thin. And, they couldn't apply as much material as needed, so it broke. And to make matters worse, in order to make this clean again so that it would fit back here, they had to cut off the part where the welding material was. So the arm was even shorter now. So what I did is go to a hardware shop and get PVC pipe. I had to find a pipe that would fit here and would be tightened by this knob here. So that's in there, and this is thick PVC. This is PVC. This is conduit, which I guess is used for electrical work, and this is more for plumbing. I've got a little adapters here. This to make it go from this size to this size, because this size needs to go over this, or this needs to go in here. We couldn't find an adapter to go from this to this, but it goes in, you have to use a lot of pressure. So once you pressure it in there, it's not, you see I barely pushed it in and I struggled to get it out. So that's what we had to do. Something to keep in mind if you're going to buy this overhead camera arm. I recommend you keep in mind that it's not going to be that long. I mean, this is what, maybe, I don't think even 24 inches, maybe 24 inches. But this table, just so you get an idea, this table is 5 feet or 60 inches. And maybe if it was 3 feet or so, it'd be okay. I did look for an extension from Glide Gear, but they don't have one. They have another arm which you could put on a tripod, which is 36 inches long, but it didn't fit our needs. So this was the fix. Should work, looks pretty good, it's pretty sturdy. And so yeah, just something to keep in mind. All right guys, again, I'm the Novice Techie. Make sure to like and subscribe and share it if you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one.